I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by targeting the damaged spot. Clean it with 70% isopropyl or soap and water, then dry thoroughly so paint bonds. Once dry, scuff edges lightly with 600-800 grit to remove loose flakes and create a key. Remove residue with a tack cloth. Now shake the touch-up pen for 30 to 60 seconds to mix pigment. You then press the tip down on scrap paper to release paint and confirm an accurate color and flow before touching the car. You apply paint in thin, controlled layers so it levels without runs. A single heavy pass causes drips. Once you've confirmed flow, place the tip on the center of the chip and make small dabs, then feather outward with lighter strokes to blend. Make sure to let each coat dry about 10 to 15 minutes depending on temperature. Colder slows curing. If needed, rotate angles to fill recesses. By building up slowly, you match height and texture to the surrounding finish. Once the top coat is fully dry, check height and gloss compared to the surrounding paint. If the spot is slightly raised, wet sand carefully with 1,500-2,000 grit and finish with a light polishing compound to restore shine. You should apply a clear coat pen for protection and let it cure 24 hours. If you see runs, color mismatch, or lifting, dissolve the fresh paint with isopropyl, start again with thin layers, and allow full cure between coats to avoid repeating the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.